most people kicking around in a 4B can be intimidating, that's standard. But not this! This is sick, mate! Oh. Are we supposed to be going through here? Oh, I feel this is sick. Is there a speed limit? I don't know. There's bumps everywhere! Oh, so I reckon they would have seen us coming hoss through there, like, geez, they're having a sick time.
Maybe take a little bit so.
These are called the Thunder Sticks. Whoa, 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 whoa. The Thunder Sticks was sick.
Not in here.
And we go back and back and back and back and backwards. Simon just almost got cleaned up. You got smoked. I was fucking pissing myself laughing.
Dude, that is fucking obstacle avoidance to the max. Oh, I think I've had a crash.
No.
Aircraft disconnected, that's not good.
Oh no, how are we gonna find the fucking thing?
Yeah, I think she's down.
Black Hawk down, boys. Jimmy, where are we? What are we doing out here?
We're looking for the drone.
Looking for the drone in the shrubbery. Goddamn snakes everywhere. Freaking me the fuck out. I don't want to go first. The likelihood of coming across something that's going to eat us is about at 100%.
What are you doing? Go.
I don't want to go. You go fucking first.
Found it, boys!
We found it!
There he is.
Oh no, it's the battery. It's the fucking drone, man.
It's the battery.
There it is!
Where's the drone? There he is.
Oh, get your hand in there, mate. Get in there.
Oh,
Success!
he's alive!
Snake! Poor cunts. Go, go, go! Come on, Frankie!
So salt or even antiseptic cream if you just bury in it.
All his hairs are gone up.
Oh, it's a light! It was on fire! Oh, they got it. Shawshank of their shit. So that's a wrap.